guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna kind of do a get ready with me. Today I'm just filming from my phone. I hope you guys can see me bright enough, but my nephew's coming into town. So I have a 19-year-old nephew that goes to the University of Oregon, so he's gonna be in town today to just visit, just from the 3rd to the 7th, and he's bringing his girlfriend. It's the first time we've ever met any girl he's ever dated, so he's coming into town. So I'm driving to the Bay today because I live in Stockton. I'm driving to the Bay to go meet her. So we're just gonna have dinner, and I also have to pick them up from the Oakland airport. So that's not till 5, it's 1 o'clock now, but I'm just gonna put like a little bit of makeup on, not too much. So I'm gonna kind of just do a quick little get ready with me. I might film when we go to eat because they want to go to the spaghetti factory. So it's gonna be my sister, which is his mom, my niece, Delani, and then it's gonna be my nephew, which is the oldest of my sister's kids, Omariye. He's gonna be there, and me. So it's just gonna be 5 of us, like a little private dinner, meeting her, getting to know her. So, excuse me. I'm just grabbing my makeup stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little beat because I'm just gonna wear like a little jumpsuit. I'm gonna put a wig on because my hair ain't done. So I'm just keep it real simple. But anyway, so this is just gonna be like a quick little get ready with me. I'm not doing too much. I'm doing basic stuff so I look decent. I'm definitely doing my eyebrows because I'm trying to let them grow out because they've been, the way that the other lady waxed them, I didn't like them, so they just look horrible, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm at my beauty station, so just watch this quick get ready with me. So
Done saying I'm done playing. Last time was on an outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dad, is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there? These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed out. Talking to her like this, drop and a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, too worried about being the best. Done saying I'm done playing. Last time was on an outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my...
okay guys, so I'm done now. All I did was my lashes, and they are by Eylure Extravagant. They're number 146, and they're like, you know, demi wispy. They're a little dramatic, but not too dramatic. Like, they fit my eyes perfectly. I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, all I did was put on NARS soft matte foundation. I used the shade that I'm in the summertime because I don't like to look too light, even though the rest of me may be like really light. I look light now because I'm in the light, but like it matches me perfectly. It's medium deep for Macao. So I love this. I only use a little bit goes a long way. Like this is medium to buildable coverage. Like me, I just like it to look like skin. So I just did my eyebrows. I put this foundation on, and I used the Ordinary concealer high coverage formula. This stuff is so good. It's my first time using it. I just bought it like 2 weeks ago. What number is it? It's 3.2 wide deep, and it's for yellow undertones. I like it because it looks like skin. Like it's really good, guys. I just wanted something to make me look awoke because I was asleep all morning. So yeah, this is really good, and it's only like $6-7 and you get a lot of it. So all I did was tap it in with my concealer brush from Sedona Lace number 224. I just kind of tapped it in. You seen I used the orange color corrector from Eylure, just some of my dark spots. But yeah, I really like it, and I used the powder, and I just put a little bit on my lower lash line. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm about to spray my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Spray and Refresher. I need to buy the big size of this because I really do like it. I always buy small to see if I like it. I contour it just a little bit. I'm not trying to be all like done up. We're literally just going to dinner. So I'm gonna just spray my face. So, whew, that feels so good. Spray a little bit on this side. Anyway, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this Urban Decay De-Stick. It's for oil control, but I like it to make my makeup set, even though it's not gonna be hot, but still, you know. I like that second layer of barrier. You feel me? My dad's like a funny, but anyway, yes, all I did. I'm gonna do a simple look, but I'm gonna come back to you guys when I put on my outfit because I'm literally just wearing a one piece. So I'll be back. I am gonna do a little bit of highlight though, since I haven't worn none in a while. This is Juvia's Place Baked Highlighter. Which one is it? Oh, this is the Glow number 1. Just gonna take a little bit here, just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm very subtle with my highlight, so you guys can literally just see right there. Boom. But I don't like it very strong like that. So anyways, just a little bit, guys, just to be a little, you know, on the fancy side. Okay, all right, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just threw my wig on my head. This is just a curly wig. I actually did a review on this. It's on my channel. Actually, I think I did it for the bob, not for this long hair, but I wet it. So if you see the back wet, that's what that is. But this is just a one-piece like jumpsuit. It goes to my knees. I'm kind of short, but I got this from Forever 21. It was on the sales rack for like 13 bucks. It's originally I think $24.99, but it was on sale for like $12 or $13, something like that. I know it was under 15. And I'm just wearing this tonight because we're just going to dinner. These look like, these are duplicates of the Cartier bracelets. I got these like 5 or 6 years ago. I can't remember. I got them from a girl on YouTube. Not YouTube, she was on Instagram. I don't think I follow her no more, but I forgot her name and the name of her company. But yeah, I got these a long time ago. They're gold and rose gold, if you guys could tell. And then I just have this watch that my dad bought me 2 Christmases ago. And I'm just wearing my diamond heart pendant. I'm just keeping it very simple. I'm not doing no earrings tonight. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna put it on with like a jean jacket. I'm just gonna wear some slides, some clear slides. I can't find them right now, so I'm kind of in a rush because I have to go. I have to pick up my nephew and his girlfriend from the airport. So hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm kind of far away. But for lips, I don't know what I'm gonna do for lips. I think I'm just gonna keep it very simple because I'm not trying to be like all glammed up. I'm just going through my thing of lipsticks right now. But yeah, this is a very nice wig. It's from Elva's Hair Wigs, but I love it when it's wet, so I just wet it right quick. But yeah, I can't remember where I got these bracelets from. I'll have to look through my email if it's even still in there because it's been over 5 years. But what are we gonna do for lips? I think I'm just gonna do some gloss and call it a day. I'm probably just gonna do sorry y'all, I got stuff everywhere. But yeah, this foundation, I love this foundation, and it looks so like bomb and natural. And then I got a little bit of highlight. But for lips, we're gonna do, let me just go through my lip bag. Just gonna do very, very simple. Just gonna take some brown liner. So this is just a quick little, what is that on my chin? I think it's toothpaste, cause I'm like, what is that? Probably still there, but I'll fix it later. But okay, that's going. So I'm taking Morphe lip pencil and bar. It's just a brown. And I'm gonna take Bobbi Brown. This is the Crush Oil Infused Gloss. It's called In the Buff. It's like a brown lip with a little bit of like pink, peachy. Really pretty. See, and it's just like I'm just wearing basic, very simple makeup. I put a little eyeshadow on, but just so I can have some dimension to my eyes because I don't like my eyes totally like nothing on it. Now this lash wanna mess with me. But yeah, guys, so I'll film a little bit while we're at the little dinner or whatever, but for now I really gotta go because I have like 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours to get there. So but it's probably gonna be a little bit of traffic getting into the airport. Y'all know how it is. So I'll hit you guys when I see my nephew. All right, bye.